Cheese. We'll go somewhere where there's cheese. Oh, good job I greased the bearings. Did you check the brakes, lad? 60 seconds to stop. No crackers, Robbie. We forgot to make crackers. Hold on, Robbie. Hold on. What's done for breakfast this morning, Robbie? Porridge today, lad. Tuesday. Is it supposed to do that? Don't worry, madam. Everything's under control. Where'd you get that from? That's my machine. I've got patent pending on it. Oh, that's quite enough. You'll be hearing from my solicitor about this. Your PV6000 man, capable of over 125 RPM. That's rabbits per minute.
Rabbit bother and tootle straight on over the... Find us out.
Hang in there, Gromit. Everything's under control. Good boy, Gromit, lad. Well done. Well, that went as well as could be expected from it, didn't it? Oh, that was riveting.